Alright, ladies and gents, this video is about our double angle identities. Uh, we've seen just regular sum or difference identities, like cosine of A minus B is equal to some, whatever. So we have, these are our two identities that we're dealing with today. Sine of 2A equals 2 sine A cosine A, and cosine of 2A equals cosine squared A minus sine squared A. Now, what we're going to do for the video is we're just going to prove these two, and we'll do the practice problems in class. So for the first one, we're going to verify this identity first. So our job is to verify this identity. We know that we want to make this side look like this side. So I'm just going to work with this side, just because. Let's just see what happens. So we have sine of 2A equals 2 sine A cosine A. So we want to make this look like this. Alright, so, well, how do we get 2A? Let's see, 2A is the same thing as A plus A. So we know that sine of A plus A. Okay, now that's one of our identities. We have a sign of a sum. So it means sine of A plus A is equal to sine of A times cosine of A plus cosine of A sine of A. Okay, so that's just for clarification. Let's call this angle alpha, this angle beta. This here is sine of alpha, cosine of beta, cosine alpha, sine of beta. They just happen to repeat every time. Okay. Now, sine A cosine A plus cosine A sine A. Since these are multiplication, we have multiplication here, we can rewrite it. So that means sine of A cosine A plus sine A cosine A. We have the same thing being multiplied to itself, added to itself twice. So we have 2 sine A cosine A. Alright, so now we just verified this identity. Now for homework, I want you to verify this identity. Yes, that's your homework. I want you to try and make this side of the equation look like this side of the equation. You have to remember you're going to start off the same way. You're going to split this up into cosine A plus A. Then you're going to think about what the sum or difference identity was for cosine. Alright, so again, your homework is to verify this identity.